Okay, I hope that the questions didn't give you that much trouble. Let's have a look at some suggested answers. And remember, these are suggested answers. These are not the correct answers because we don't know exactly what the author was thinking when the author or the writer was writing these sentences. So we have to assume, we have to think what the writer meant. So please revert to me with the findings of the investigation. Could be, what are the findings of the investigation? Now, this is where, when you use revert, there is a huge problem. Because if I am correct, what the writer really wants to ask is a question. What are the findings of the investigation? And everyone understands that question. It is a clear question. But because the writer uses revert, two things happen. One, the writer is not being clear. What does the writer want? And secondly, it's not a question. Please revert to me with the findings of the investigation is not asking someone to do something. It suggests. Of course it suggests, but it is not a clear question. So sometimes using revert actually hides what you want to do. Number 2, our client has asked us to revert to the court on his behalf. Could be, our client has asked us to respond to the court on his behalf. Possibly, there could be other options as well. Please revert to the competition authority with the data they need. Could be, please can you send the data that is needed to the competition authority, or please can you answer the competition authority. You can see here by using a strong verb, the verb which we think the writer really means to say, we might have to restructure the sentence as well. Number 4, we need to revert to the conference organizer and tell them we're attending. We need to confirm our attendance with the conference organizer. Now, in the introductory video to revert, I said that the dictionary definition of revert the modern dictionary definition, could be respond or reply. But here, it's confirm. This is what I think the main message is. We need to confirm our attendance. So this is why I say revert in different contexts is difficult to understand, because we are not using the dictionary definition. And number 5, they want us to revert to them with our final offer by 5 p.m. Could be, they want us to send them, or they want to receive our final offer by 5 p.m. Could be a few different messages that could be understood from that sentence with revert. Okay, as I said, these are just my suggested answer. This is what I think the main message actually is. And that's always a good question to ask yourself. If you are writing an email, mostly it's emails, and you write revert, ask yourself, what am I really trying to say? What's the strong verb I should be using? And rewrite using that strong verb. Okay. Now that we've looked at revert, let's move on to lesson 12 and look at another word that we should not use.